New airbag. The old one's getting ready to come out. I got, let's see if you guys can see it. I got it all unbolted. I just had the bottom bolt to take out. I'll bolt the bottom one back in, and then we'll just stick this one in its place. The one problem I do have is that this is 1/2 inch MPT, and I think my fitting here, my 90 degree, is 3/8. So that might be a problem. But oh yeah, it's 1/2 inch inner diameter. Yeah, that is. That's a 3/8. So I have to get an adapter or get a different 90 degree that will work for this 1/2 inch outer diameter, 3/8 inner diameter, I think it is, something like that. But anyway, that's what I got to figure out. But then I'll have the new bag in. This one was worn. You guys can't really see it, but down in here it was leaking a little bit. And well, it's just time to fix it, guys. That's what I'm doing. That's what's going on.